Hello, in this video we will study about the exponential form of numbers, logarithm form of numbers and anti-logarithm form of numbers. So first definition, what is the logarithm and anti-logarithm? So the common or base 10 logarithm abbreviated log of any number is the power to which 10 must be raised to equal the number. So this definition would be like very technical, and how to understand this one I will give you some example, then it will be very easy to understand. What about the anti-log definition? Anti-log definition says the process of determining the number that correspond to a certain logarithm is known as obtaining an anti-logarithm. So let's understand what is the exponential form of number, logarithm and anti-logarithm. So in case of exponential form, we will start first from here. Suppose you have to write a number of, there are three numbers like a base, power or exponent, both are the same thing, equal to number. So we can abbreviate it this as like B for base, bracket, parenthesis, and then power, and then small n is a number. So let's when we convert this base, power and number into form of into logarithm form, we write like this one: base 10 usually, or we can say here log, this will be like a base, this will be like this will be log base number n equal to p as a power, right? So for an example, if we have to write 2 raised power 3 is equal to 8, this is my number, 2 raised power 3 equal to 8. It means if you multiply 2 by 3 times, we can write like this one: 2 raised power 3 equal to 8. So this is the exponential form of number, right? Now we are converting this into logarithm form. Of how we can convert, we will write like this one: log base 2. So this base will become here log base 2, and number will become after log. So log base 2 number 8 equal to power 3. And if we are going to take anti-log of this one, so anti-log and exponential form are the same, both are same, right? Just converting from back and forth. So here if you will see, base power number, log base number equal to power, anti-log of base power will be give you same number. So if I will take an anti-log of the 3, basically I will say anti-log of the 3, basically we have to raise the power of the base 3 equal to 8. Another example, 10 raised power 3 is equal to 1000. We have to write in the log form. This will become log 10. This is my 10 is the base, 1000 is number, and 3 is a power. So log base 10 number 1000 power 3. Now if we are taking anti-log of the 3, basically anti-log of the power. So anti-log of the power means anti-log of 3. We have to raise 10 raised power 3. So now basically we are converting log into exponential form. So anti-log is like writing the same number in exponential form. So log anti-log of 3 will be equal to 10 raised power 3 equal to 1000. Another example, 10 raised power 4, we can write 10,000. If we have to write in the log form, this will be like 10 log 10 10,000, sorry, it's written one more 0, 10,000 will be 4. And if we have to write, take anti-log of this, so we will write like this: anti-log of 4 will be equal to 10 raised power 4 and 10,000. In calculator, usually log, usually they write log, so it means they have all time log base 10, right? So if you will see, I have this calculator TI 30X, and if I will open, log, this is the log just after second. So log, if I will take log 1000, so log 1000 3 times, you can see log 3 times, it's always come in parenthesis and then parenthesis close and then press enter, you will get 3. So log 10,000 is 3, and same way log 1000 is 3 and 10,000 will be 4. So this was a brief about how the power exponential form number you can convert into logarithm form, and logarithm form how you can convert into anti-log. So let's take some more example to understand. Here we have another example. Suppose we have to write, suppose you want to know what is the log 1. So log 1 is always 0, and how we have to write like this one in exponential form, it will be like base 10 power 0 number 1. Anti-log of 0, and now we have to write in the anti-log form. Anti-log of 0 will be equal to 10 raised power 0 equal to 1. And if you want to see in the calculator, you can type like log 1, and it will be 0, right? Another example is, if you have to this question like 10 raised power x equal to 31.25. So here we do not know how many power we have to find out. What is the x? What is my x? Right? So then you can take the log of this one number. So you can write log, this is the number, 10 will be base, and power we don't know right now. So x we have to calculate. So you can use in the calculator like this would be 31.25. So log 31.25 will be equal to 1.49485. So I'm just writing 1.4949, right? And if you will take the anti-log of this one, anti-log of power 1.4949, you have to write like this one, 10 raised power will be equal to 31.25. So this was the examples of log and anti-log. Let's do some more examples in the calculator, how we'll type log and anti-log in the calculator. So suppose you have to take log of 47. So log, it will come always in parenthesis, type 47 parenthesis close. Every calculator have different function. You have to learn the how to take the log and anti-log in your calculator, right? So this will be, answer will be 1.672. So how will take the anti-log of this one in the calculator? So if you have to take anti-log of this calculator, just type 10 first, then a small cap this one 1 2 3 4 5, this one says cap, that is why I written here cap, and then parenthesis closed, type 1.6721 parenthesis close. So 10 cap parenthesis all the power number, then equal to, you will get, I am getting 4.7. Let's type one thing once again. I think I did something wrong here. Yes. So log, so take 10 power parenthesis closed 1.6721 parenthesis close. Now it came correct number. So in this way you can take anti-log of this one. So anti-log is exactly like a exponential form of writing or opening the log. If you will type in the calculator log 2015, you will get this power answer. And then if you want to take anti-log of this one, type 10 cap parenthesis number power, then parenthesis close, you will get this number. Let's take the same thing is for the log 3.8. Let's take this example. Log, if we have to write log parenthesis 0.0015 parenthesis close, you will get answer negative 2.8323. So you got this number. Now if we have to take anti-log of this one number, how we can type in calculator? So 10 cap, you can see in the calculator in 10 cap parenthesis, and for negative do not use this negative sign, you have to use this one. That is why I write here for negative sign on calculator, use this negative. So use this negative. Now we have negative sign. Then number 2.8239 parenthesis close, enter. Now you got the same number 0.0015. So these are the some examples how to take the log and anti-log from the calculator. Now there is some small math we have to learn about this one. So if we have writing like log a multiplied by b, how we will open this one? We can rewrite like this: log a plus log b, and the back and forth vice versa. If you have to write log a plus log b, you can write in this form: log a multiplied by log b. If you will divide, or if you are subtracting two log values, you can write in the divide form: log a divided by log b. If you have log a raised power n, this is what we are doing so far, we can write small n, power will be go on the before the log and log a. If we have to log a, basically these are the number, right? Number, and then number have a power, 10 is power 1.1 divided by n. So this will become 1 divided by n log a. What about the significant figure? How we have to manage the significant figure in the log? So for an example, 23.5 have three significant figure. If you will take a log of 23.5, we have to come this answer 1.371. So we have to use three significant figure after decimal place. So three significant figure after decimal places. Now you can ask the question why we are using log values, log number in the math. So why log? For an example, if we have to plot these numbers 1, 10, 100, 1000, your salary will be between 10 is power 5 to 10 is power 6. Earth to sun distance is 10 is power 8 in the 10 is power 8. Number of body cells in the 10 is power 15, and some other number 10 is power 25 or some more. If we have to plot all these numbers into one line scale, basically our line scale will be very uneven. All the small number within 1 to 1000 will be here, and remaining these 10 is power will be on a very big scale. So everything will be here and it will be very hard to read. So that is why if we have a very small number, very large number, we use the convert them into log, then it will be easy to plot in the logarithmic form of scale. So that is why we call the log scale. So for an example, log base 10 small n means if we have to take log 1, so log 1 means 10 raised power 0 will be equal to 1, right? So this will be log 1 means always 0. So log 1 means it will come 0. log 10 is 1, log 1000 will be 3. So basically what we are writing here, we are writing in the log scale. If you see all these powers we are writing, right? So in the log scale we write the powers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 power, means these are the 10 raised power. Now its log scale is easy to read. So as you know that earthquake was recorded on the Richter scale, and pH also recorded on the pH scale and Richter scale. Both are in the logarithmic form. So suppose our body have a pH 7. pH 7 means neutral. Not our body have basically pH is 7. pH 7 means neutral pH. And if a pH is going from 7 to 8, it means it is going 10 times, right? So all these powers represent the 10 raised power. So 10 is power 7, 10 is power 8, 10 is power 9, 10 is power 10, 10 is power 6. So this is the why we use the log scale, because it reduces our math problem.